I'm Joe Helble. I'm the Dean of the Thayer School of Engineering, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to Thayer School's 2016 Investiture ceremony. At commencement exercises tomorrow, Thayer School will award 143 degrees. This includes 83 Bachelor of Engineering degrees, 22 of which are AB and BE degrees being awarded at the same time, 37 Master of Engineering Management degrees, 1 Master of Engineering degree, 8 Master of Science degrees, and 14 doctorate degrees. In addition, Dartmouth will award Bachelor of Arts degrees to 119 engineering sciences majors, which constitutes the largest Bachelor of Arts engineering class in the 149-year history of engineering at Dartmouth, a remarkable and proud accomplishment. I'd like to begin by introducing you to our platform group and faculty and student marshals. First, on my immediate left, is Dr. Arti Prabhakar, the Director of the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, a recipient of a Dartmouth honorary degree at commencement tomorrow, and our speaker today. I will introduce her more formally in just a few moments. Seated at her immediate left, Philip Hanlon, Dartmouth class of '77, and the 18th president of Dartmouth College. Carolyn Dever, Provost of Dartmouth and Professor of English. Terrence McGuire, Thayer class of 1982, co-founder and managing general partner of Polaris Venture Partners, and the chair of the Thayer School Board of Overseers. At Terry's left, Mr. Richard Couch Jr., Dartmouth class of 1964, Thayer class of 1965, founder and executive chair of the board of Hypertherm Incorporated, one of New Hampshire's most admired corporations, and Thayer School Board of Overseer member. At Dick's left, Mr. Peter Fahey, Dartmouth class of 1968, Thayer class of 1969 and 1970, former partner at Goldman Sachs, Thayer School Overseer, and former Dartmouth trustee. At Peter's left, Mr. John Repwogel, Dartmouth class of 1988, Chief Executive Officer and President of Seventh Generation, Dartmouth trustee and trustee representative to the Thayer School Board of Overseers. And at my far left, Mr. Mitchell Kurz, Dartmouth class of 1973, Academic Dean, Director of College Counseling, and Chair of the Mathematics Department at the Bronx Center for Science and Mathematics, and a member of the Dartmouth Board of Trustees. On my immediate right, William Lotko, the Sue and John Ballard 55, Tuck Thayer 56 Professor of Engineering. Brian Pogue, Professor of Engineering and Director of the MS and PhD graduate programs. Benoit Cushman-Rozan, Professor of Engineering and Interim Co-Director of the MEM program. Edward March, Adjunct Professor of Engineering and Interim Co-Director of the MEM program. And Professor Erland Schulzen, the George Austin Colligan Distinguished Professor of Engineering and the Chair of the Engineering Sciences Department. I'd also like to recognize our faculty marshal, Professor Charlie Sullivan, Professor of Engineering, and our student marshals, Margot LeBlanc, Thayer BE 2016, and Sarah Rude, Thayer MEM 2016. It's my pleasure to welcome this distinguished group here today and to welcome each of you in the audience, parents, husbands, wives, brothers, sisters, and other family and friends who have played a critical role in helping today's graduates seated here before you reach this important milestone in their education and in their lives.